Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to make an attendance record for employee or you can use it at school for students. Before starting, for our efforts, please do subscribe us and leave a comment at the end of the video as a feedback. Let us begin. We will make attendance record for the year of 2024. Here we have all the months. In this section, we have employee information such as name, ID, and so on. Here we have the abbreviations T tardy, it means delay, U unexcused, E excused, and P is present. So here it counts as how many days the employee are absent or present or delay. Let us type the formula here. COUNTIF, select all the cells, but don't forget to add $sign here. Here as well, comma, quotation. Here, because we are under the cell of tardy, so we are going to write the abbreviation of tardy, which is T, and then close the bracket. Okay. Copy this formula and type it here. Just change the T to U and excuse it. Paste the formula here as well. Again, change it. Change T into E. Excuse it. Paste here as well. Change to P. Select the cells and drag it down till December. Okay. Here, if you write P, it shows us how many days present. Type one more P. As you can see, it increases. T or U. For February, and doing the same for the other month. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.